Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you some pretty cool and simple websites you can use for business or private projects and which are just super fun. I put them all into this Notion page which is called Small Business Web Toolbox, and we're gonna look at my top 5. The first one is Build With. Build With is a website, a web tool which helps you to identify what a website is built with. For example, if we add apple.com, we click on lookup, and then we get a pretty neat overview of all the tech stack Apple is using on this website. And for example, we can use this if we want to build a similar website or interested in what our competitors are working with. The second page is Colors. Colors is a super easy to use, super fast color palette generator. So if you just click on start generator, you don't need an account or anything. It starts to generate some pretty nice color palettes. If you click on space, you get a new one, and so on. If you, for example, prefer this one, you can click on the lock, and then all the others are changing instead of, and this one isn't changing. So if you now like this one, all of those are staying the same. You're locking. Now only the one on the left is changing. You get all the data you need, see with the hex code, and you can use them on your design projects. Super cool website. The third one is NameCheck. NameCheck is a website you can use to check whether a domain name, a company name is still available. So if, for example, if you enter Apple, you have to make sure you're not a robot. You click on search, and then you, for example, see that all of the domains are already taken. And if you then click on usernames, you see usernames are taken as well. So probably you should not use Apple as your brand name. The fourth one is Unlash. Unlash is a great database website with unbelievable high quality pictures. Super fun for any private or business project. And the final one is called QuickNote.io. If you go on this page, you just can write a quick note, which is super easy, super good to use. Because quite often I just want to note something. I don't even want to, click into my database or write a note or whatever. Just want this sticky notepad on my computer, and that's where QuickNote comes in quite handy. As mentioned before, all of those tools and so many more are in the Small Business Web Toolbox database. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you so much.